Hello everybody, and welcome to the live streaming. So here we are back again. Yesterday we have a nice webinar session, and I decided to make one more webinar because I received a lot of good feedback that you guys were enjoying listening to the webinar. So here we are. I decided just to go once again. Okay, I have a lot of free time, so why not? Okay guys, so how are you doing? How was your trading day? Did you catch any good trades? Are there any struggles with trades? I've been struggling today, and I find again one trading error. Almost it was a trading error. It was really close to a trading error. So the trading error today was the oil. Okay, US oil. It's something that I was trading here. So my trade, it's from somewhere there, I think. And what happened today was really amazing and something that I would be glad to share with you. So what happened to me is when chart came over down there, okay, so I started to think about profit. Should I take profit? And looks like chart is not moving. Maybe it will just reverse. Maybe I'll be a break-even trade. Maybe this will take my money away and so on. And in the same second as I start thinking about this, I recognize that this is the big trading error. Why? Because I have predetermined plan that I have to stick to. I have my rules. And if I will do anything right now, right in and there, close the trade or whatever, take profit, I will immediately, instantaneously violate my rules. But in this second, when I was thinking about it, it was so logical. It was really logical to just close the trade, and why not taking profit? Okay, it was more than a fixed thing. Okay, so why not taking profit? Everyone should be taking profit. Okay, so then decided that I should just stick to my rules. I just have to believe into my rules and so on, and I just did it. And what happened then? After that, in a couple of hours, there was the extension and the reward for sticking to my rules. Okay, so it's really powerful thing. Seen a lot of time that we all, not just me, not just somebody, we all are not sticking strictly to our trading rules, especially when it comes to money. Okay, I've been working with a trader who was just not making money, consistent money. So he was not able to develop a consistently rising equity curve, was because he was taking money too fast. Okay, so when he was losing big, and when he was making money, he was taking profit short. Okay, so he take profit really shortly, and that was the problem of not growing. Alright, because when you are right, you have to make money, and when you are not, then stop loss is there for you to protect you, and you should not lose more than you have planned. So really good example was this on oil over there. So hope you guys are sticking to your rules. Hope you're not violating it. I know sometimes it's difficult. It just our mind just fucked up everything and just confused us, and that's okay. We are just a human being. And when we are trading, we should not think. In all those years, I saw that as soon as we start using mind and logic, this is instantaneous trading error. This is something that I have learned in a couple of years, in this all 12 years of trading experience. And as soon as I start thinking, there is a mess. The things become really difficult. But now I'm practicing. As soon as I start thinking, I just leave my computer, I just go away. I just check my rules. Are there any rules? What should I do? Okay, there's nothing to do. Just go away from computer. That's all. It's the most profitable thing. Because otherwise, we can talk ourselves out of the trade. So probably you've been many times in the situation when you talk yourself out of the trade. And that's okay. It could happen sometimes, but should not happen often. Alright, so this was just my experience from today. This was something I wanted to share with you. And of course I will slowly now take profit over there. We'll watch it closely, we'll see if there will be any price action. Of course I will go for taking profit over there. Okay, so let's start with the DXY. Yesterday I was sharing with you a couple of trades, and of course today I added some, I just cut some and so on. There was a couple of updates. I had to cut them away on break even, some small profit and so on, and based on that I just added some. So things are changing in 24 hours. Okay, so this is why we need a system, we need rules, we need proper strategy, so we can always follow the system, follow the predetermined trading plan. Okay, so DXY is on really interesting spot. It's on the same spot as we were talking yesterday. Not much changed over there, and yeah, I'm still anticipating there a deeper correction. Okay, deeper correction is something that I'm anticipating over there, or at least total reverse to the upside. So I have to start watching for the buy stops. Here is this square box. Okay, so I create this square over there because I would love to share with you how charts can struggle over there before they will start pushing upside. Okay, this is kind of similar. Okay, usually patterns doesn't repeat exactly as they are, but there's the similarity. There is the similarity. So we can see both those behaviors are quite similar, and what we are anticipating is this. Okay, so another impulsive move to the upside can appear, and if this appears, then this will clearly tells us that we will be definitely going to tag this trend line over there. Okay, this will be our target, but what we have to see, we have to see the impulse, then we would love to see the correction as we had over there. This is the confirmation that the price will continue to the upside in the future. So if we get this, then we definitely should build more buy on dollar. Okay, I mean we will be buying dollar against other currencies. Okay, so that in correlation means that we will be selling pound USD, euro dollar, Oz USD, New Zealand USD, and we will be buying USD Chief, USD ZER, and so on. Okay, but we have to understand those, how DXY spreads, I mean not spreads, how yeah, exactly, basically how he reflects on the markets. Alright, so let me go now to the setups and trades that I have, and let me update you quickly as I did yesterday. Chief Yen, I added a couple more trades over there. Okay, I'm in from the top. We see how this will develop. So I hope this will start pushing to downside aggressively, more aggressive. I need stronger movement over there. For now, it's kind of slow. It could go for the correction. It could go even for another retest of the previous top and then drop. This all is possible. But if this will go for the correction, I will close this sell and then I will sell again from the price action, after the price action from the previous stop. Okay, so I will not be risking in case if this will become stronger and break through. Okay, I don't want to risk money over there, so I will decide to go for the break-even trade if I will see the behavior like reverse. Okay, but definitely we'll watch it closer. What we have to be aware of is this. Look at that one. Okay, so this looks like a flag which will break to the upside, but no, we are at the top and that's not true. Okay, so flags are at the top are not flags. Okay, these are just dying out of the momentum. So we have to clearly understand that where we are structurally located. So when we are at the top, if this creates the correction or flag for the upside, just move yourselves from break even. Probably you will just survive all of them because they will stay in the channel and they will just drop like they did over there. But I do anticipate even stronger movement over there if this will happen. So, but for now, movement is better. Okay, this first movement, first reaction from the top, it's better, stronger. So I think there will be just a continuation and we will be following it all the way to the downside. If we watch the daily, there is much more to go. Okay, these patterns like this pattern can do something like this, give it a running flat, then go another break top and then it will drop. Okay, or second option, this will be just dropping as I have shown you already, and we will be going all the way back to this trend line. Then we have to see if this price will break down or it will go for another wave to the upside. We already have this kind of the pattern on Aussie New Zealand. Okay, so let me show you an example over there. Aussie New Zealand had the exactly same pattern. Okay, it was over there. So it was on lower degree, of course. Look at that one. Okay, this is the pattern that I'm trying to share with you. Okay, so we have to start selling it from the top. Why? Because selling it from there, it's not making any sense. You will not be protected. Your risk to reward ratio, it's not making sense. And of course, there's more money if you sell from the top and recognize it on time. This is same kind of the pattern, but it's just on the lower degree. Okay, so if I go now and copy the pattern behavior from this, let me just take the whole movement, let me copy it, and let's go to Chifian. Okay, this is the same. Let me just extend it. Okay, so we can, come on, look at that one. This is the same. Okay, so this is the first movement. Now we have the second one, and this is the third one, the last one. Now we have to go down. Okay, so same kind of the movement it's appearing over there. Okay, if I would channel it like this, so you will recognize it on time. So it can go still for one more leg higher, that's for sure. Yeah, 1 2 3. Okay, so 1 2 3, and then it can go down. Okay, so we are here, but one more leg lower can appear and then go up and then still go down. Okay, so this is still possible, because this could be all, right? This could be all, and it could start dropping lower. So this is the reason why I'm already building positions over there from very high spot. So it's so important for me that I always have a position at the top. Okay, so for example, over there I like to build positions over there. These are my entry points. Okay, this is, I always watching to place my entry order really high, not entry order, to place my to watch to enter the trade and have my stop loss on safe position. It's really important for me. Okay, so you know what to do. Just follow the corrections to the downside. Here again, I triggered already the trade. Here is the example. Nothing is over there. We'll see how it plays out. If it starts to struggle, do anything weird, I will probably exit it if I'll see no momentum over there. New Zealand yen, same there. I have the most all the yen I'm shorting. Okay, I see, and I do believe that yen, okay, the yen will gain some strength across the market. So that means we will see the sell on New Zealand yen, Aussie yen, pound yen, on all the yen pairs. Okay, so that's the reason why I'm selling it. We are structurally really high, as you can see. Very high, structurally located. It's worth of taking the sell. But now we will see what the price is trying to do. Will this struggle over there and go for another leg higher and then drop? That's possible. Okay, this is still possible. This will be 1 2 3 4 5 wave channel, and then still we have to go to the downside. But if we will be lucky, probably this could be the trade. Okay, this will be the trade, and that's the reason why I'm watching charts every day. Okay, this will correct and drop down. If not, we know what to do. Just get out. Get out if this is not the momentum you're anticipating. Okay, I really do anticipate for the momentum like this. Okay, they give us correction, some struggling over there, some struggling, and then go much deeper. Okay, CAD yen already went lower, so I hope all yens will follow the CAD yen, for example. Okay, CAD yen already did its movement. Okay, so if you catch it, I personally didn't watch the CAD yen, didn't watch it, but definitely it was good movement, and I do anticipate this kind of the movement on all yen pairs. And this now to go all the way downside. Why? Because structurally we are having a really nice correction. Okay, so this is the pattern, the correction, this is the impulse, and we are creating another impulse which will go and break the previous low, and then we'll see probably the next move to the upside. But why not? You have to go and build positions already in this sell. Currently I don't have any setup on CAD yen. On lower time frame maybe it will be, but it's nothing yet there. There's no any pullback, no any corrections, so I will not chase it. I will not chase it, and that's the reason why I will watch rather those pairs. Okay, so I'm just hoping that this will go lower. Okay, what could happen as well, this can drop as it did there and then go pullback. They often do this. They drop, they go for the pullback, then I will take profit over there, wait for this, or even maybe trading the buy, depends, and then I will take the sell again. Okay, I will be seller again over there, and then I'll be just repeating the process. Simple and effective. Okay, so charts are really easy to understand as soon as you learn how to watch for impulsive and corrective movements. They are always repeating every day on every time frame, constantly. Okay, so it's really hard to not see them, and it's really not that hard to spot them once you learn them. US oil, already told you, I took this very wonderful and fantastic sell. We'll be watching for taking profits soon. Okay, probably. If I would love to see some struggles over there, and then I will take the profits over there, or any strong candle, any strong price action, close candle, whatever. Then I will remove my profits, and then I'll just book my profit. Yeah, I will not trading the buy. Euro dollar, I already have this one. Okay, it's still struggling over there. So here's again another trading lesson. This is really important, is having good stop losses. Okay, so this is one of it. It will keeps you calm, and having big stop loss means that you will not be stopped out and the chart will go into a direction. Okay, usually that happens. Okay, and I know it really hurts when you see that you're stopped out and then in next couple of hours your chart goes your way. That's the most painful situation, and sometimes it's really hard to recover from this emotional trauma. Okay, it took some time to come back with the emotion, if that's happening quite often to you. Alright, Aussie New Zealand, let me just delete this one, it will not be confusing. I do anticipate Aussie New Zealand to continue its move to the upside, at least one more leg higher. Okay, so this is the movement, this was the previous bottom, I decided to buy it. This is my stop loss, we'll see how it goes, and I do anticipate at least break of this top or close to this, and if it stops there, give me price action, then I will assume that this is the impulse, this is the correction, and I'm going for another sell, which will go and tag the previous low. Okay, so not that far. Okay, still we need more candles, more data from the chart, and as soon as I will recognize that this is not something which will go to the upside, then I will decide to take small profit or even a break even, depends, and then I will change my trading into the sell. Okay, so I will change my direction, I will go from buy to sell, but not yet. Okay, so I still do think that this has to come upside. Okay, so it could take a couple of days maybe to reach this top, or it will just extend to the upside. Then of course I will not touch it. First it will be my target, previous high, sorry, and then I will decide what the price will do over there. We'll closely watch for price action around the previous top. New Zealand USD, I took this sell as well. I was sharing those setups yesterday with you on the live streaming, so those who were there, you saw me saying this, and you can still watch it. Okay, so all recordings are uploaded on my YouTube. You can watch them on TradingView, so wherever you want it, you can watch it, rewatch it. They are very powerful and educational, so if you head to my YouTube channel, you can watch as well all past recordings of the webinar. There are hundreds of webinars over there on my channel, so you can watch it, and of course you will learn something new. Okay, especially if you are new, I really do recommend watching all of them. Okay, and of course if any one of you would love to join my team, let me know, send me the private message, or just go to the website tradewithmaster.eu. Here are the 4 tiers of subscription, depends what fits you. Okay, so you can choose one, and I will welcome you inside of our team. We will help you, we will guide you through your struggles, we will help you develop your trading plan, we will watch together what's wrong with your trading, and we will fix your problems, so you will start making money on a consistent basis. This is probably your goal, okay, to achieve consistent profits in the Forex market. Okay, we are really special team because we have a personal touch. Okay, so they are not just videos which you will watch and we will leave you. No, we are just different. once you will be the member, once you watch and pass all those webinars and all those videos, pre-recorded videos, then you will be with touch. You'll be in touch with me personally. We will schedule a webinar. We will look at your trading. We will see what fits you, what is your strategy currently, what you have to improve, what you have to work on, and so on. And then you will be slowly start correcting yourself, and you will develop a consistency that way. Okay, so there is a lot of personal touch, and of course you have to work. You will have a lot of job to do. We always give traders what they have to do, the homework. We can call it the homework, what you have to do. And of course, there is no any way that you will not be successful. You will really soon achieve the consistency. Every trader did, and I can bet on that you will do as well if you will follow everything as we say, and if you accept all our help. Alright, so let's go forward. New Zealand cat. I'm in this cell, we'll see what happens, and I don't think something will happen. This will just go up, tag the top, reverse there, and it will at least give me the flat. Then I will close with small profit over there, this cell, and then I will go for the buy because it will go for another leg higher, and this will be my trade. Nothing big, nothing special, but who knows, anything can happen. Okay, this can still drop down right now, right in and there, but nobody knows. We will just wait and see how it develops. This will probably take next 2 days probably. Oh, it's a weekend, so on Monday. Monday we will see what the price will be. Definitely it will be struggling there sideways now in the next couple of days. Up and down in this range as you can see right now. New Zealand Chief, this is the correction that I have been sharing you yesterday. Okay, as soon as this starts pushing higher, I knew that this will not continue more. Okay, because it didn't develop the momentum over there. Momentum started dying out, and based on that, we saw that there will be bigger correction. Okay, that was not all, and based on that, you can see how we are extending the correction. Now there's the extension, and we are going now down. This could struggle over there, of course, 3 days, 2 days, who knows. Okay, it can struggle and then can go down, and then from the bottom, as soon as we will break the bottom, we will start to watching for the buys again. Really easy and effective. Okay, you just need to know where you're watching for what. Okay, so definitely I'm still holding it and will hold it. There's no change. Same there, I bought it over there. We'll see what the price will do, but it can struggle over there. It can go very slowly, very boringly, pushing higher. If the momentum dies out, I will close the trade and break even, and we'll see, maybe I'll take a sell. But for now there are no any signs. But this is the buy that I'm currently holding. Euro Chief. Buy, okay, this is the buy, and it will still go higher. We are in this channel. This didn't convince me that it will break through, so I decided to go for this buy over there, all the way back to the trend line, and then I will see what the price will do. Definitely I will hold it. Its trade is open and I will still hold it. Okay, we have a question. What is your take on New Zealand USD? I took a buy. I'm not a buyer on New Zealand pairs. I'm a seller on New Zealand pairs. Let me show you the chart right away. Let me just finish the USD cat, and then we'll discuss about New Zealand USD. This is where I took the buy. I saw there that the price is not moving and doing what I want, and prices just start going to the upside. Easy trade. That was really easy trade. It's going up now. I will not do anything. We'll just leave it probably till Monday. On Monday I will see. Hope the price will reach already this level by the Monday, and then we will see if this will stop there, give me the flat, then I will be a seller, because the relationship to this impulse, we will have another wave to the downside, and this will be 1, 2, 3. Okay, very easy and effective. But for now there is nothing. I will hold the trade. Spot is good. I will not even move it on break even. That's not the trade, and something that will move on break even. Okay, so let me just answer what your take on USD take a buy. I took a buy. If you took a buy, that's okay, but I will not be buying over there, that's for sure. Hope you have strategy and hope you know what you are doing, because I will not be buying it over there. Okay, and I'm the seller. Okay, so I'm expecting New Zealand USD to come lower back to this trend line at least, and then I will see if it goes for another leg higher or it will go total back to the previous low. Okay, so these are only two chances, and of course I will be holding it all the way down. This trade is what I will hold all the way down if I see there are no any price actions on this trend line. But if you're buying it, as I said, hope you know what you're doing. I will definitely not be buying that high. Okay, this is pretty high. I would rather be buying from the trend line or close to the previous low. Okay, so I would love to buy there, I would love to buy there, I would love to buy there, as we did. Okay, this is definitely too late for me. Okay, I always want strong momentum, strong momentum, strong momentum, and something buying over there, it's kind of risky. Price can do a lot of variations over there, and if you watch it closely, this can go give you the flat, go down, it can go up, tag the top, then you will be lucky with the buy. You can take some money, and then price can still go to the trend line. Okay, so for me, it's a too difficult spot to be a buyer over there. I'm not saying it's not possible, but for me, for my edge, for my strategy, that's not the probability of the buy. That's only what I'm saying. I'm trying to say. Simple. I'm always watching for spots where I see the high probability of one thing or another. I'm always watching that sells are having bigger, where the sells are having bigger probability and where the buys are having bigger probability. I'm always thinking with this kind of the mindset. That's just something that I really rely on. Okay, so guys, do you have any questions? Seems you guys are kind of ashamed over there. You can ask whatever. Come on, give me some feedback, guys. Don't be that sleepy. Wake up a little bit. Use the chat. Let's talk. You can as well share any emotional problems if you have any emotional difficulties, whatever you want. Are you guys already consistently profitable traders? Let me know. How is your trading going? Are there a lot of ups and downs? Is there a stable consistency? How did you start in the Forex? Oh, how did you start with the Forex? I'm interested, but I don't know where to start. Oh, I started with trading 12 years ago, but how I started, I hope you will not start. It was it was big struggle and kinda hard work over there. So I don't recommend everybody to start like I did, but if I will start again, then firstly what I will do is first I will be searching for an edge, and of course I will be watching for a good strategy that is easy to understand, and where it doesn't rely on any fundamentals. This is really important to me. I don't like fundamentals. Any news, it's something what I really hate. And I don't even put any awareness when the news are, what news are talking about and so on. I'm completely ignoring the news because I just don't like them. And then of course what I will do is I will start watching the charts and start following the strategy which I am sharing with you right now. This is the wave analysis. I'm following the impulsive and corrective structures. I'll be trying to backtest this a little bit, see if I can understand it. If this is something for me, then of course if I see that this is something for me, and once I will decide and really want to become a professional trader, then of course then I will sign up with someone who is having proven results and who know what he's doing and what he's talking about, and then I will ask for his support. I will ask for his guidance. I will ask for his rules, and this is just how I will start right now if I will be again starting with trading industry, with trading business. According to my strategy, the New Zealand USD having given the triple bottom in H4, I can take a short buy. Yes, you're right. We are at high wages. Yeah, this is the question, the comment for the guy who is trading the New Zealand USD buy. Okay, so he's saying that he have a confirmation for some triple bottom over there. That's possible. I don't know what your strategy is, and I'm not saying it will not work. It could work. It's possible. And yeah, you can take it if you have the rules. You have to go for it. You have to follow it, and you have to take every single trade. If the rules are there, you just go for it. And if you see that it's not working, then you will have to start modifying it. This is well good for every beginner. If you have the strategy, if you're doing something, just do it. Do it. It took 50 trades. And if you can't develop a consistently rising equity curve, if you can't develop the consistency, then you should change something. You have to change your rules. You have to change your edge. You have to find something that has a higher probability. Because if you are not making money with these 50 trades, then just do something else. Okay, but even if this trade, if you take this trade, if it goes in loss, who cares? Sometimes trades can go straight in the lose. That's okay, it's fine. But over the next 50 trades or 100 trades, you should be in the profit. You have to see profitability. You have to see the profits, which are constantly rising. That's the point what I'm teaching every one of you, especially the beginners and especially the traders who are looking to become consistently profitable traders and the traders who want to become professional traders, to start living with trading. Got it, thank you, bro. You're welcome, my friend. You're welcome. I'm glad, especially if I can see that I can help you and give you the support. And of course, I know the trading it's really good business. Once you'll master it, once you will know, and once you will develop all those rules, once you have a stable system, stable strategy, then you will be more than happy. I see traders, they are just start shining. When they are start making consistent profits, they are shining like a diamond, basically. Everyone wants this consistency so they can pay their bills from trading and enjoy their life. Really good, guys. Yeah, I've seen a lot of strategies that works amazingly, but once it comes to the consistency, I start seeing struggles. So if you guys probably are having a good strategy, good edge, but you're struggling with psychological part. That's very possible, and of course by developing the rules. This is where I mostly find people are having problems. Because yesterday I have mentioned that two traders, for example, this guy who is saying that he's buying New Zealand yen according to his strategy. Okay, so here's the example. So what can happen? I'm the seller, he's a buyer. Okay, what does this mean? Am I wrong, he's wrong, or I'm right and he's wrong? That's not making any sense. Why? Because which I'm trading the sell, I will be in the profit. That doesn't mean he will be stopped out or he will be losing. No, that's totally wrong way of thinking. What could happen? He bought it, the price can go up, back to the top, he will make profit, I will still have open trade, the trade will go down, and how we will end up? What will be the outcome of his and my trade? Okay, he will be in the profit and I will be in the profit. You see, this is the mindset, and this is how you have to think. it's not just about the analysis. It's not about who is buying, who is selling. It really doesn't make sense. Okay, we all can be different traders, and we all can make consistent money. But making consistent money, it's more than mindset. It's psychology. It's rules. It's emotions. Okay, this is where you have to start working on if you would love to start making money out of trading. If you want to start paying bills from the trading. Okay, this mindset, this way of thinking is very powerful and something that you have to understand. Same scenarios, same environment, two different traders, both of them can be in profit. Okay, this is powerful. This is powerful. Then the difference, what will be the difference? The difference will be the time factor. Time factor between me and him will be just the time factor. He maybe will be taking profit much earlier. I will be taking profit a little bit later. That's totally fine and okay. If it works, as I said, if it works and if it gives you something, if it gives you a money on long term, on a couple of trades, then you should not be afraid. Okay, so guys, do you have any questions? I will probably slowly end the webinar in the next couple of minutes. I will leave the webinar open for next 2 to 3 minutes if there will be any questions, and then I will end the webinar over there. So as I have mentioned already, you guys can join us, join our team. We'll be more than glad to have you, because we really love to help people develop the consistency, achieve consistent profits in the Forex market. Look at Irian, bro. I hope it will drop down. I'm watching the sell over there. Yeah, we already have the sell. I just hope it will continue its way to downside. There's a big potential and high probability of the sell. This is the move I'm searching for. Something like this. This is the move. Even stronger. It can drop, correct, and drop. They always do. This is the strategy I'm always using. Drop, we have a correction, and drop. Oh, perfect. If you're taking the sells too, really well. So we have to. Yeah. Invest more so it will move faster. So hope it will start moving to the downside very soon. If not, then we will see. I hope Olien will follow what Kadian did. Kadian did an amazing movement, and I hope the all yen pairs will do the same. It could happen that yen will move during the night. I mean, there for me will be the night. For some of them will be morning, for some of them will be the evening, but for me it will be the night. I will be sleeping, and Probably I will wake up in profits.
We will see.
Yeah, well, we will see. Who knows? Okay, so let's end the webinar over there. Hope you guys were enjoying the webinar. Hope you guys have learned something new. So if you guys have any question, you can as well send me the private message and we'll discuss about it. Or you can leave a comment under the video. If you're watching the recording, you can leave a comment under the video. So take care, enjoy your day, and hope you catch the good trades. Take care, bye bye.